As you can see, gonna brush my teeth and get ready for work. It ain't gonna get crazy long, but I'm gonna let it grow out a little bit.
I told this little hoe straight like that, her true colors. I tell you what it is from the jewel, my true colors. I'ma be the same young nigga till I'm very old. And I'm stuck in my ways, so her bullshit got very old. Give it to this little hoe uncut, she act like she don't want no probably got that shit you looking for, come on, meet me by the sun. Don't pull up on me, try flaky shit, cause you know how that go. With them self-defense, hollow points, and leave you on the floor. Don't even try it. To main man, Dr. Main man, they yay man, I ain't even try it.
Shit, it's days like, times like this, where you realize, you know, it's better to prepare your life around the unprepared, you know, but to prepare for the unprepared. And, you know, some people got it worse because they don't got main in their life. Slow money is better than no money, of course. And I'm about to be working on my album cover, preparing for my next release. So what my life about to be for the coming months, you know, it's what it is. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, they filter tray on the pit. The grease just came out the pan. Hit that back wall. Man, I hate slow money.
Nowadays, everything I make keep coming out timeless. I like to draw when I want to, I ain't worrying about timing. You said you was really about that shit, why was you lying? And you all scratched to the pressure, you always silent. If you know a better way than this, all you gotta do is chime in. I know every real nigga felt that one right there. And since I was first at it, dude, I put me in first place. It's time stop, it don't matter if they rip me in the first shit. I might be the latest to blow, but still be in first. The founding father of unorthodox rap for names.
5.7 Hemi. It's a plug. See if it's a 14. Oh, that's too big. See if it's a 13. I think the 13 might be too big also. Set my wrench to the left. It's oil, super hot, might splash out, go to the back. While that's draining out, I could get up here, get this filter. It's a filter up there. I ain't ready to do it yet because this oil's still draining. I'll just let that keep draining. Position this so the filter can be sealed. Oh, hit the pen, the thing, the oil drain.
I gave you.
No, the one that drained this thing right here. It's overflowing. The pump.
Oh, yeah. Turn the pump on real quick.
Pump just overflowed. You just turned the pump on. It started coming out of the pan. But that's the filter. My white pill plug is what I gotta get replaced. With that, the oil. I think I can start it back to draining again. Everything hot. So I'm about to take these clamps and take this down. work this with my hand. But since it's so hot, I gotta twist it by hand. You can see oil bust out of it. It's all used oil. Start putting the drain plug back in too now since that thing finished draining. Change it to the right side now. So I can tighten this drain plug. That thing leaking, so I'ma just wait. I could probably take it down some more now. If I can move fast, because the heat will build up to the point that I can't take it. Hot, hands on fire, literally. Now I can tighten this drain plug, put that filter back in, and then I can save. There you go. Plug tight, ready for? And I put this filter back up. This new one in. Get a nice clean ride that I can grip with. Make sure I tighten it up, hand tight. All right. I'm just waiting. Got a tight plug. Hemi. It's a 5.7 Hemi oil change. Got a nice clean filter in there. It's clean. Look at that. Yeah. Sweating like crazy. I'm sweating like crazy, but yeah. It's super hot. The heat off the cockpit. It's summer.
You ready?
Yep. Hands free, head clear. Ready for safety. Just checking for leaks. Good. No leaks. Plug tight, filter, plug safe, filter safe. Safety complete. That's it. That's how it goes. Every car is a little bit different. They got different types. You know, some of them captured and everything. They got all paper filters, all type of crazy stuff that you just gotta figure out over time. But this was a simple one. Regular can filter, plug right here at the front. Take that. I got them Gojo be tearing my hands up. Especially after they've been soaking in that glove. All my sweat. Then they kept getting burnt by the hot grease back to back. I don't know what's in this shit. Supro Max. It's good for oil, grease, paint, and adhesives. But it don't play around with no skin, boy. That's for sure. That bitch for sure don't play around. Sweaty as a motherfucker and all. Finna go to the store and get some drinks. It's always Nissan doing some overcomplicated shit. I can see the engine mount. It's in two pieces. And I can see it from the top of the engine bay. Why? Why? I get the damn skid plate down. I'm up underneath the car, and what the fuck? That's the engine drain pad. Because that is that's the bottom of the CVT for sure. Front wheel drive, I can see where transaxle connect. You can see a part of the transaxle on this side, right there. That piece of that bar right there, that metal bar. Because that same metal bar passes by the engine right here. This is the engine oil pan. But this, why? Why did they make it like this? What did they gain from this? nothing. It's in no way helpful. Even for your at-home person, it's super hot in this metal. What it is, come on. Anyway, you can see some of the axle, which passes right by the engine here, and it's not connecting into the engine. So that's definitely the CVT right there, which it connects into right there. But god dog, man, I'm looking for the filter. After I find the filter, then I can go ahead and drain that. I took the rest of the skid plate down, go to filter, go that funny drain plug, CVT pan. Yeah, it's burning me the whole time I'm trying to twist it every time. Just like that. Got burnt again. Just like that. I just got burnt again. It's burning me bad. Burnt me again, just like that. I shake it off. I'm just gonna leave it like that, man. I'm not about to keep getting burnt by this thing, man. Why did they make it like that, bro? It's not even fluid. The way it's coming out, not even a fluid flow, bro. It's just gonna make a mess every time, bro. God, dog, man. Who idea was this, man? To make it so that your fingers get to touch a scorching hot engine oil pad, bruh.